Hello guys, what's up? I'm back with another vlog, and this is the room I've been staying in here. It's quite messy right now, so please don't mind. Actually, the room is so nice here. It seems like a new building. And first, let's get out. So there's our bike. It is Hotel Punarnava, and I'll highly recommend you if you guys looking for a budget hotels in Chikmagalur. But the only problem is we don't have covered parking. We have this kind of open parking. Guys, you know what? I've been to Mulyanagiri Peak in the morning around 8 or 8:30 AM, but I don't know why my GoPro stopped working a couple of times, so I couldn't vlog anything much. Actually, it was pretty hot in the morning, just like this, and by the time I reached Mulyanagiri Peak, it's already got crowded. So I was not interested to go up to the top with so much of crowd. Oh, look at that lake. So just by seeing the crowd, I had to head back to the room. But anyway, my GoPro was not working properly, but it started working when I got back to the room. Basically, Telugu people call it as Daridram. And currently we are not heading to Mulyanagiri Hills. Actually, we are heading to Baba Budangiri Hills, which is around 30 kilometers, I guess. It's gonna take 1 hour 15 minutes it seems. And if it is possible, we'll head towards Mulyanagiri Hills again. Actually, I've decided to explore these places tomorrow early in the morning. But after exploring internet for some time, I found few places which we should explore. So I had to change the whole itinerary, and we are going to explore those other places tomorrow, hopefully. Oh, look at that mountain there. Actually, everything seems beautiful in here except this goddamn weather, yeah. It's so hot in here. Literally monsoon shouldn't be like this, yeah. I guess the Ghat section starts here because Kavi roads. This place must be beautiful. Oh my god, look at that. This place must be beautiful if it rains today. I really love this route, guys. Actually, this is the same route I took in the morning for Mulyanagiri Hills. Actually, this route gives me proper Bandipur forest feels. In case if you guys don't know, Bandipur forest is near Ooty. You know what? My ears are popping. I guess it is because of change in altitude. What a curvy roads here. Trust me, it is so much fun to ride in here. Look at that peak in front. And you know what, I've been saying like Chikmagalur, right? Like Bangalore. It is not Mangalore, it is Magaluru. It's Chikmagaluru. Yes, Chikmagaluru means Queen of Mountains, I suppose. Actually, I saw it somewhere. And Chikmagaluru is a land of coffee, you know. You see this place, Baba Budangiri. Actually, Baba Budan is a person's name who planted coffee in Chikmagalur for the first time, and that is how it became land of coffee. And look at that, man. Whoa, this is truly amazing. Whoa, look at that. Okay, let's go. It is totally worth to come to this place. Whoa. This is literally unreal, man. Okay, this is not India. This is something else. Wow. This is next level Ghat section with some next level views. Oh. Actually, I'm loving every inch of Chikmagalur except this unpredictable weather. Oh, there's a waterfall right in there. But I'm not in a mood to stop after seeing all this crowd. Oh, there are few settlements in here. People who living in here, they must be very lucky. Just forget about the destination, guys. I just wanted this kind of road with this kind of view. I guess that is Mulyanagiri Hills, which is tallest among all of them. God damn it, where should I concentrate? Yeah, should I concentrate on the road or should I concentrate on the view? This view is extremely distracting. Okay, weather looks perfect right now with this kind of view. What a beautiful view, man. Oh my god, bike looks amazing with this view. Spend some time there to shoot some cinematics. I hope you guys like them. Baba Budangiri. Baba Budangiri. Tala. ಏನ ಭಯ್ಯ ಬಾಬಾ ಬುಡಂಗಿರಿ ಇದೇನಾ ಇಟ್ಲ పోవాలా రైటా హైదరాబాద్ బైక్ పైన వచ్చు. Don't know why people been surprising whenever I tell them that I came solo from Hyderabad. Oh, look at these guys. Guys, it is totally worth to coming to this place. Oh, look at that, man. Guys, I just stopped here in the middle because I guess there is no point to go up there because it must be look same like this even up there, I believe. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, this place is slowly covering with the clouds. Mad. Guys, this place is so chill right now. I guess it is around 7 degrees, I suppose. Literally I was about to fall, man. Literally my hands are numb right now. Guys, you know what, I'm currently running out of fuel, literally in this kind of place. I'm currently heading to my room and I guess I'll end up this video here. And you guys know the drill. If you guys like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, peace out.